Hey there, dryer owners. If you're dealing with the frustrating Bosch dryer error code F08, you're in the right place. I'm here to break it down for you step by step, so you can get your machine up and running again without the hassle. This error is common in 2025 models and beyond, and we'll cover what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it quickly. First off, let's talk about what error code F08 actually means. In Bosch dryers, F08 typically indicates a water overflow or drainage issue. This could be your dryer's way of saying there's too much water in the system, which might prevent it from completing its cycle. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds, and fixing it often just requires some basic troubleshooting. Now, what causes this error? There are a few common culprits. It could be a clogged drain hose or filter, which stops water from draining properly. Another possibility is a faulty water level sensor or a problem with the pump. Sometimes, it's as simple as a kinked hose or even a buildup of lint and debris over time. In older models from 2025, we've seen issues with the control board, but that's less frequent. Alright, let's get to the solutions. Start by unplugging your dryer and letting it sit for a few minutes to reset. Once it's off, check the drain hose for any blockages. Make sure it's not kinked or clogged. Next, clean the filter and pump area thoroughly. You'll be amazed at how much lint accumulates. If that doesn't work, inspect the water inlet valve for any signs of malfunction. For a deeper fix, you might need to run a diagnostic test using your dryer's manual. Most 2025 Bosch models have a built-in mode for this. If you're comfortable, you can try resetting the control board by pressing specific buttons as outlined in the user guide. Remember, safety first. Always wear gloves and avoid electrical components if you're unsure. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it might be time to call a professional technician. They can diagnose any underlying problems quickly. By following these tips, you'll save time and money while keeping your laundry routine on track. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance fixes. Drop your questions in the comments below. I've got your back. Stay dry and see you next time.